Hello, my dear kids. How are you? I hope all are going well. Everyone should stay safe in your home. Shall we start our maths class? Are you ready? Okay. Students, here more or less. Tick more. In this box, 5 boys and here 4 chairs. Which one is more? Yes, the boys is more. Tick less. Here 5 flower and 3 butterfly. Which one is less? Yes, this one is less. Then tick here. And next picture. Tick less. 3 lock and 4 keys. Which one is less? Yes, 3 lock is less. In this picture, tick more. How many kites are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kites and 2 yarn. Which one is more? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kite is more. Then tick here. Here, count and match. Look at this picture. Here, 2 bottle. We want to find where is 2 dot. Yes, here 2 dot only. Then match here. Okay. Then next picture is how many corn? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 corn. Then where is the 4 dot? Yes, here 4 dot. Match there. How many hammers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hammers. Where is 6 dot? Yes, here 6 dot. The bag only 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 bags. Then already is joined. How many apple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apple. Here dot is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then join there. And once again count and match. How many spoons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spoon. Where is 9 dot? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then match here. Then 4 mangoes and 4 dot there. How many pencil? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pencil. Where is 8 dot? Here 8 dots. Then match here. 1 flower and 1 dot. An apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apple and 5 is here.
I am going to take out the objects that are 1 in number. For example, I have 1 boy in this picture and I have 1 dog in this picture and I have 1 grandmother in this picture and I have 1 pot in this picture and I have 1 cot in this picture. Now all these things in the picture are 1 in number and I have 1 lantern in this picture. So here I see 1 boy, 1 pot, 1 cot, 1 lantern, 1 dog and 1 grandmother. How do I write 1? I draw a standing line like this. Now I am going to write number 1 in each of the boxes below. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Now in this picture I am going to find out the things that are 2 in number. For example, I see 2 cows. I see 2 trees. I see 2 men. 1 and 2. And I see 2 houses. 1 and 1 house and 2 houses. Now I see 2 buckets. 1 bucket and 2 buckets. 1 bucket and 2 buckets. I also see 2 patches of grass. 1 patch, 2 patches. 1 and 2. So I see 2 cows, 2 houses, 2 buckets, 2 patches of grass, 2 trees and 2 men. Now I trace the number 2 along these dotted lines and I write the number 2 in each of the boxes below. In this picture, I am going to find the things that are 3 in number. I see 1, 2 and 3 monkeys, 1, 2 and 3 mangoes. I also see 1, 2 and 3 caps. So there are 3 monkeys, 3 mangoes and 3 caps. I write the number 3 along these dotted lines like this. I also write the numbers in each of the boxes below. 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. In this picture, I see 1, 2, 3 and 4 children. I also see 1, 2, 3 and 4 kites. So I see 4 kites and 4 children. I write the number 4 along these dotted lines like this. I also write the number 4 in each of the boxes below. 4, 4 and 4. In this picture, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 balloons. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 flowers. I also see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 birds. So I see 5 balloons, 5 flowers and 5 birds. I write the number 5 along these dotted lines like this. 5. I also write them in each of the boxes below. 5, 5, 5, 5 and